Today namhlanje siqala isikhathi sethu senhlawulo, which is Lent. So it's 40 days of time of prayer, of fasting and almsgiving. We know that uJesu, before aqale umsebenzi wakhe, before he started his mission, he had to go to the desert and he had to stay there for 40 days praying. And when he was there, he was tempted by Satan, but he was able to overcome Satan in whatever efuna ukuthi akwenze. So nathi as amakholwa sizoqala namhlanje no 40 days ukuthi sithandaze, siphe abantu abadinga usizo, almsgiving, and futhi siphinde sifast. So kwivangeli lethu lanamhlanje uJesu ukhuluma ngalezi zinto zo-3 ukuthi asizenze. But the nice thing or the main thing asikhumbuza kuyona ukuthi whatever kulezi zinto esizenzayo zontathu fanele sizenze in secret, meaning ukuthi fanele sizenzele yena but not sisenzele abantu ukuthi basikhumbe. So we will get a reward from kuNkulunkulu because we will be doing it for kuNkulunkulu. So the first thing akhuluma ngayo uJesu ukhuluma ngokuthi we need to pray. We must go to our rooms where singesikhona khona umuntu and bese ke siyathandaza. Umthandazo ubalulekile ngoba umthandazo wona usihlanganisa noNkulunkulu. The way we communicate noNkulunkulu, it is through umthandazo. So if sithandaza sokwazi ukuthi sibe ne-relationship engcono noNkulunkulu, that's how we're going to communicate with uNkulunkulu, by umthandazo. So uNkulunkulu ufuna lokho ukuthi in these 40 days asiqinise kakhulu kwimthandazo. Kulo 40 days I must make myself a decision ukuthi imuphi imthandazo engizoyenza kulo 40 days, so that at the end the Easter I will receive that reward which is from God, not from abantu. So kufanele kube khona izinto engizoyibhala phansi mengithanda or ngiyibeke emqondweni wami ukuthi I'll be doing these things in these 40 days. Mhlambe kungaba yimisa ukuthi I'm saying to myself I'm coming to mass every day in these 40 days. Siyazi ukuthi umthandazo omkhulu, there's no prayer as like mass. Mass is the highest prayer Islam. So I can make that decision myself ukuthi ngizoza emiseni every day in these 40 days. Mhlambe-ke Diamond Clay at the moment we don't have mass every day, but I will say to myself I can come to service every day because still I will be receiving uJesu, the Eucharist, which is the core of impilo yethu. Mhlambe ngingakhetha ukuthi ngizoyithandazela irosari every day or ngingaliqedi mhlambe ngilenze isonto lonke elilodwa bekuthi liyangihlula ukulenza every day lonke. Mhlambe ngithandaza ama-Stations of the Cross every day, or nje umkhuleko omncane engizowubeka mina engizowenza every day in these 40 days. Or mhlambe mengilala ngizocabanga ukuthi before ngilale, let me in these 40 days the last thing engiyenzayo ukuthandaza, not i-cellphone yami. Let me ngiqale ngithandaza then ngilala. The last thing engizoyenza in these 40 days njalo ngilala into yokugcina ukuthandaza, ukubonga uNkulunkulu or ukucela uNkulunkulu ukuthi angigculele kukho konke engikwenzile kulolu suku. So we need to commit ourselves now today ukuthi yini lento engicabanga ukuthi kufanele ngiyenze kule nsuku lezi eziwu-40 ezizokwenza ukuthi ekugcineni ngibe nema-rewards engizowathola kuNkulunkulu but not kubani. Another thing ivangeli ephinde likhuluma ngayo is fasting. Mesikhuluma nge-fasting abantu we always think about ukudla, ukuthi fasta mhlawumbe ngeke ngidle inyama this time, or ngeke ngidle fish, red meat, or any type of inyama, or mhlawumbe nokuphuza ukuthi ngeke ngiphuze, or nje kuningi, but it's more of something engena ngaphakathi kuwena edliwayo. But let us try something else. Let us try to fast on the things ezenzayo eziyisono. Izinto ezenza ukuthi singabi ne-connection noNkulunkulu. Izinto ezenza ukuthi sinake zona too much more than uNkulunkulu. It might be ukuthi mhlawumbe akhona isono but you are too much on ifoni yakho or social media. Let me just try to cut social media maybe kulesi 40 days and put myself to uNkulunkulu. Ngizama ukuthi ngithandaze kakhulu this time. Because the more you are in these things, the more you don't have time for uNkulunkulu. So, fanele kube khona izinto esizozama ukuthi siyikhiphe kuthina ngaphakathi so that uNkulunkulu ezokwazi ukuthi angene kuthina. Especially in social media, for example, there's a guy, a brother, I'm showing the way, sasifunda naye, usasikhuluma ngama-social media naye, but uyena nabanye abangani bakhe wayefunda eCape Town University, if I'm not mistaken, but ibona abakha i-Mtshali, so i-Mtshali yakhe wayibona, but wayeka nothing. But he was telling us ukuthi the way maybe ama-applications, all these Facebook and WhatsApp, TikTok, the main thing about it, maybe they're looking for imani. So when they make these things, they want to make people to be addicted to them so that bona bezokwenza imani. So iboni yabo yalezinto somehow is to be addicted to them so that bona bezothola imani labantu abazakhayo. So meaning ukuthi we must try to 40 days ukwehlisa kwizinto efana njengalezo. Siphinde futhi kube izinto mhlambe esiyikhulumayo ukuthi mhlambe ngiyazazi ukuthi ngihleba ngabanye abantu khona abantu engibazondayo ngihlezi mhlambe ngine-bad energy kubantu nje bekufika mina ngihlezi khona izinto zabanye. Let me try and fast on that ukuthi 40 days angizama ukuthi kungabi mina njalo ngihlezi ngikhuluma kabi nabantu, imina ngihlezi ngixabanisa abantu, imina ngihlezi ngenza zonke izinto ezimbi. But in these 40 days angizama ukuthi ngizama ukuyiyeka lezi, because this is how you will be able to overcome sin. These 40 days help us ukuthi siyeke lezi zinto, but in a way siyakwazi ukuthi ziqhubeke ngaphakathi kuthini ukuthi sikwazi ukuyi-overcome after these 40 days. So asizameni ukumuva izinto ey'njalo. And then another thing uJesu akhulumayo is almsgiving. Almsgiving abantu. uJesu ufuna sinike abantu izinto, especially abahluphekile. Abantu abahluphekile. So let us make the effort ukuthi sisize abantu. But in this 40 days, asizame in a different way. Asizame ukusiza abantu abangeke basiphoke. Meaning ukuthi if njengomuntu iphara emgaqweni whereby izomboka but izokhohlwa yini. Not ukusiza labantu laba like abangani bami whereby I know ukuthi lo muntu like uzonika something in return. Let us help those people laba esingeke sithole lutho from them, because abanye abantu we end up doing izinto ezinhle given to people because we want something back from them. Abanye abantu bazibathi there's no free lunch. If umuntu ekupha something, you must know that one day you will ask for a favor from me. But today let us try to give labantu laba esingeke sithole lutho khona. And in our hearts we mustn't judge. Let us give them singabi nandaba ukuthi lokho kuhlala emgaqweni mengiwe ngamnika no-20 rand uzohamba yothenga ngawo whatever drugs or whatever. Let's just don't think about law. Let's just give share kanjalo umuntu kube uNkulunkulu ozomjaja ukuthi ucabanga kanjani, but not us. So sizame ukuthi sinike abantu abadinga usizo but in a way ukuthi ayikho into esizoyithola back to us. So yilezo zinto ezintathu uJesu ayigcinisayo kuthina besiqale lesikhathi sokuzila ukuthi senze lokhu sithandaze kakhulu sinike abantu abayizinto ebayidingayo abahluphekile and sifaste konke lokhu sikwenze in secret sikwenzele yena singabenzeli abantu because ukuzenzela abantu kuyafana nemilando wathi wenza into ebhedayo bawukhohlwa konke lokho kusho okwenzile but uwenzela uNkulunkulu everything uNkulunkulu akakhohlwa uyena okwaziyo so uyajabula and he's the one who will reward you not abantu so asithi siqala namhlanje kube nezinto esizikhethayo esisizenza amen.